Hello friends, hello! It is September. I'm so excited. The start of a new month and the segue into a new season. Oh my goodness, here we come with autumn and then transitioning into fall and all of the great apple and pumpkin and everything. And with that, you guys, comes the smells of all of that, right? We love the smells as we walk in the stores with the pumpkin and the cinnamon and the apple and all the fall yumminess. You'll see these gross things everywhere, unfortunately. Those things that plug into your wall and that emit all of that funk, those are everywhere too. And let me just tell you guys, those are so bad for you, okay? Especially the ones that plug in the wall and the stuff that you spray in the air. Those are no. I understand that you want your house to smell delicious and inviting and cozy, and I do too, and I love it because you can do that with this, okay? An essential oils premium starter kit has a diffuser, has the oils. There's combinations that you can put together that will make your home smell amazing, you guys. Plus, right, you get the benefits, the wellness benefits, the health benefits of diffusing essential oils instead of breathing the toxic gunk that is inside candles and sprays and plugins and all of that, okay? I highly challenge you to Google the Dirty Dozen and start understanding the chemicals that are inside common household products. You guys, this is one of the biggest seasons of the year where we have fragrance galore, and it really, you are the gatekeeper of your home. And I'm gonna help you push the easy button on this and grab an essential oils kit. Do yourself and do your loved ones a favor, not even a favor, like a journey of wellness and health and goodness by switching your synthetic fragrances to something natural that is going to help support your well-being, especially you guys as we transition to fall. The seasons change, right? We can kind of dip below that wellness line. Again, this kit has so much in it to help you stay above the wellness line and keep your family healthy and well as we go into a new season. So I have something, as always, every month, right? I have a really awesome welcome pack for you. It's full of all kinds of fall and autumn goodies. I can't wait to show it to you. Again, I am here to help you push that easy button, get your premium starter kit, and check out what you're gonna get in my September welcome pack. Hello friends, welcome to September. Oh my goodness, the start of autumn and entering fall. Look at this adorable card set and bottle set that you are getting from me with your inside your welcome pack when you get your premium starter kit this month. You're gonna get this autumn recipe card. You're going to get a foaming hand soap bottle to make your apple pie hand soap right here. This adorable spray bottle with the pumpkin, because we have either the cozy room spray or pumpkin spice spray, however you want. And for my Gilmore Girls fans, a card from Stars Hollow with a couple of roller bottles with some of these essential blends in here. You guys, oh my gosh, you are going to love this. Okay, bonus time. For those of you who hop onto Essential Rewards this month, I am going to send you a bottle of orange because all the fall recipes call for orange and you are going to love it and need it. I'm also going to send you a diffuser balm of pumpkin so you can put it into your room spray or into your diffuser. I'm also going to send you a diffuser balm of apple, which is the blend inside here. So you've already got those to start with, but these are for my members who choose Essential Rewards at checkout. Straight out of the box, you need to know how to use your essential oils kit. So I always send these cards. I think they are so amazing. They have recipes for the oils right in your kit, diffuser and roller. I'm going to send you 2 empty roller bottles so you can create your own blends, whichever you want. You're going to have recipes to use the things that are inside of your kit. These are the oils in your kit. I love sending a glow serum bottle. If you don't want to use glow serum, you can use it for carrier oil or whatever else, but knowing how to make glow serum, so easy, and your skin is going to be in heaven. Some Thieves Cleaner recipes, because seriously, Thieves Cleaner is the only cleaner you need. I'm going to send you a packet and a spray bottle so you can start right out of the box. Dilution information, safety information, and of course info on Essential Rewards, which you are going to sign up for when you get your kit. And I'm going to send you orange, and I'm going to send you these great blends of pumpkin and apple to create your fall blends.